Put on this. Cool, cool, cool. What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? It's your brother KOBK. Today we're gonna do an AGB class once again. The AGB class, what it stands for is aqua gray blue. And the reason this is so impactful, so powerful, because this is what's gonna allow you to see what's going on in the market for the upcoming week. The reason we do it on the weekends, guys, we like to do this when the market is completely closed. As you see right here, there is nothing moving. Therefore, we can get a real good snapshot, an idea of what's going on, not only with price, but with candles, with structure, and everything else. Now, we're going to go up here to indicators. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add on something called DLO. And then the one I'm going to add on today is the DeLorean EMAs. That's going to populate right there on the chart, guys. I am on the platform TradingView. You guys already know that. We're going to make some changes real quick. We're going to make some adjustments. We're going to take these two lines off. All we want to worry about is the aqua, gray, and blue. Now, the important time frame for this is the 1 hour and the 4 hour. The 1 hour and the 4 hour must match, guys, and that's going to help you determine the trend. The reason this is so impactful as well is because we understand that 80% of the traders fail, or they lose a trade, or they blow their account because they trade against the trend. Now, with this setting, with these settings, and also with this strategy, this will make your trading success a lot more profitable. Now, I do have some individuals on this call, and I will be calling on certain individuals to tell me if we're trending downwards or if we're trending upwards, or maybe we're BTS, and BTS stands for between the sheets. And what that means is we're going to abort mission on that trade. We are not going to trade that pair. Now, how we go to our pairs, guys, right here, you see it says EUR USD right there. We're only going to focus on the Forex pairs. And then normally it will say all sources right here, but I want to select my pairs from one particular source. So I'm going to come here, and then I'm going to pick today. Let's pick, it doesn't matter which ones you guys pick. The reason they have so many, because different brokers offer different prices for certain things. And then also some brokers do not have crypto. So if you decide to use this AGB on crypto, you might have to select a different one, and I'll go over it. So I'm going to select the Oanda, however you guys want to say, everyone's different. Now I'm going to delete that. And as you guys can see, all my Forex pairs are under Oanda the farther I go down. Now, when you're first starting this, guys, I want you to create a chart. And the way you do that, I already created it. You just hit create list. And let's just say I was to name it AGB. You name it AGB, just hit create, type in AGB, and boom, there it is. There's a brand new chart right there. And then you want to add on your Forex pairs. So you go right here to the top, you hit that add symbol, and here you go. And then all you got to do is just go down and select all of your Forex pairs. Now, if you're brand new, I want you to select every single one of them so you can build up the repetition, build up your skill set of being able to identify what's going on in the market, i.e. identify if it's trending up or trending down. Now, since I already have a chart, a save list, I'm just going to go to my current one, and we're going to call it the AGB 2.0 one. These are the pairs I will be looking at. I already added these, and I'm just going to go through these real quick and see which ones is trending up, which ones are trending down. Now, guys, this doesn't take all day. Let's click on XPX real quick. So the way you do this, the first thing, guys, you must do is locate price. Here's price right here. Price is 5254.34, and it is above my lines, my aqua, my gray, and blue. Now, the name of the class again is AGB. AGB stands for aqua, gray, blue. And the way I like to tell or teach or instruct individuals when they're doing this, first thing you do is you locate that price, and then you look at your lines. Are your lines underneath your price, or are they above your price? If your lines, like you see right now, are underneath price, underneath that candle right there, they're pushing the market up. So far, this is what's called an uptrend. Now, if it was gray, say this line was gray, this line was blue, and this line was aqua, if that was the case, guys, we wouldn't even look at this pair anymore. We would just go on to the next pair. But since we do have price, we do have aqua, we do have gray, we also have blue, and they are in order. We must go to the next time frame. Now, it doesn't matter what time frame you start on. It can be the 1 hour or the 4 hour, it doesn't matter. And if you're having problems seeing which lines are in order, just click on the right side, click and hold and just drag it up. Or if you have a little mouse on your, I'm sorry, a little ball on your mouse, just roll it up and that will expand it up, expand it down. And you can do the same thing at the bottom. Just click and hold, you can drag, bring it closer and see what's going on. So real quick, let's just do something. Let's look at this. If we're looking at this chart right here, I want you guys to see how powerful this is. We have aqua, we have gray, and we have blue. That's an uptrend because it's pushing price up, pushing a candle up. Guys, if you would have taken this trade, you could have literally rode this thing up the whole way and been in profit. So let's go ahead and bring this down. Looks like we're good here. I'm gonna bring that over, move this over. We do have price above our lines. We do have aqua, we do have gray, we do have blue on the 1 hour time frame. So I will be looking for an entry next week on this pair for XPX. Now I know there will probably be a pullback when the market opens up on Monday because not only the holiday, but there's always a pullback majority of the time coming off the weekend. So I'm gonna just type buy here, buy/call. And you guys can take notes of this and you can challenge me next week when you're looking at this pair to see if the market is going to do exactly what I say it's going to do. I challenge you guys to, because not only will that make you better, but it also makes me better as well. So next week, XPX, aqua gray blue is looking for a buy. Now, what I want to do with you guys that are on this call, you guys know we have that special tool. I want to see what's going on with that tool. So if we're looking to trade, let's just say XPX Monday, and as you guys see, those of you that do have this tool, we did get that breakout. We went directly to our TP1, took our profit, then we're done. We came back, we retested again, went back up to TP1, hit TP2, then came back down. So now, as you guys know, the aqua price loves to come to that aqua level, and it's right inside of that box. So what we want to do next week is we want to wait for the breakout to the upside so we can get an OBR to the upside, a breakout, and then potentially take this going to at a minimum the first level until it breaks through that box. So coming from here to here, that's not a lot of pips. So you might want to just wait till the really good signal to break above, or better yet, catch the sell coming down on a higher time frame. Let's go to a higher time frame. And as you guys see, we had the ORB breakout up. Guys, it broke out and it hit our TP1 and it almost hit our TP2. Then it pulled back. But the thing is, during this candle, I don't know if it hit TP2, then came back. I can't tell within that market. But that's what the ORB breakout up looks like. And you guys that have this can take advantage of this with every single one of your strategies within your trades. Now, if we know this is going to be going up to the upside because we have the AGB, what we want to do is literally wait for price to come back to retest in that area where it is right now. Monday should open up and then break out to the upside. It may come down here. We may even get a retest Monday to the downside because of the holiday and then come back up. It may drop all the way back down here. So even if price on XPX comes back down to this level, we are still in great position for a buy, but we must be patient and wait for the right setup. To be honest with you, I would love for price to come all the way down here. Well, I'll say right here. It could come here, but I would love for price to at least come to this level, then give me the signal for a buy, taking it back up at least to this level, then to this level, then I'll wait, or I'll split my position, wait for it to break out and finish at this level up here. But XPX next week is definitely a buy, guys. It is definitely a buy since I do have the paid version of trading view, I'll come over here and I'm just going to mark this green because I'm looking to buy. Now let's look at one of my wife's favorite pairs. Let's look at gold. Guys, look how it happened. So we got the we got the ORB breakout and she took off to the upside. Look at that. We got the breakout. This is a cheat code, guys. We got the breakout. We hit TP1. We hit TP2. We went all the way to this level and she continued. See, this move right here is what I'm looking for on the XPX. And the reason I'm looking for that move, guys, is because it's an overall uptrend. How do I know it's an overall uptrend? Because my aqua, gray, blue tells me so. It already went up there and retested that level. It's going to go back to that level. But so gold is definitely a buy on the 4 hour. And then on the 1 hour, it is also a buy as well. So we'll be waiting for an entry on there. We have aqua, we have price up here. We have aqua, we have gray, and then we have blue. We are looking for buys on this one as well. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm liking what I'm seeing. All right, GBP USD. So guys, the pairs that I have over here, these are some of my favorite pairs that I like to trade. All right, cool. Guys, as you see, we had an ORB breakdown to the downside right here. Let's go ahead and blow that up so you guys can really see that. So we have our box right here. Price is in here. Guys, when price is inside of this box, we do not trade. You do not trade. You wait for the breakout. And what I like to do is Monday morning around 8 o'clock, I like to look at the chart before the 9:15 time. Then I can get an idea of what's really going on with what I'm doing. I got a guy. Hold on 1 second, guys. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. All right, so cool. So now we're on GBP USD. Let me go ahead and cycle back to the 1 hour time frame. And I see that we had an ORB breakout already. So let's look at what do we have. We have price. It's below our aqua. We have gray and we have blue. They're in order. Aqua must always be the closest to price first, and then everything else follows. So if we have aqua, we have gray, we have blue, they're in order. They're on top of price. They're pushing price down. We should be looking for a sell because on the 1 hour time frame, it is a downtrend. So now that I'm on the 4 hour time frame, this is a no-go. And the reason it's a no-go because we have price, we have aqua, we have gray. Those are good, but we have blue down here. So what that's telling me is that price is in between the sheets. It's in between the valley. It doesn't know if it wants to buy. It doesn't know if it wants to sell. But theoretically, what I do see and what could potentially happen is depending on how the market is reacting, I do see that we have a lot of selling pressure here because both of these candles have wicks on them, pushing it down. But down here in this level, these candles have a lot of wicks too. This is not an ideal situation to trade, guys, because the market doesn't know what it wants to do. Price can come down here to this blue line, then go back up, then price go up to the aqua line. So theoretically, this one right here, guys, we would not trade. We would abort mission and go to something else. US 30. All right. Who wants to take US 30? What would we do here on US 30? Who got it?
It's a buy.
It's a buy? Tell me why it's a buy.
It's an aqua gray blue. It's above the aqua line.
What's above the aqua line, brother?
The price is
Absolutely. Yep. Price is above aqua, gray, and blue. So what do we do next?
go to the 1 hour to make sure to verify.
All right. Let's go to the 1 hour. What are we doing here?
Same thing.
Boom.
It's still
Boom. So this is US 30. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to mark this up. We're going to put this on the chart. We're going to do a good old buy because we want to buy US 30. This is one of Nelly's favorite pairs.
Yeah, it is.
Nelly's favorite pair. Hey, this pair right here will pay your mortgage for the rest of the year. Absolutely. All right, cool, cool. US oil. Nelly, you want to take this one?
Okay. Aqua gray blue is below the price. And now we need to check it on, which would say that it's a buy, but we got to check it against a 4 hour.
Mm-hmm.
And we got aqua gray blue again. That's a buy.
Absolutely. Absolutely, guys. So we'll be looking to take buy next week on oil. I don't know if you guys trade oil, but this is another pair. Oh my goodness. Buy oil. Oh, all right, cool. So Nelly, real quick for you. So what type of trend do we have here?
We've got an uptrend here.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Let's look at BTC USD. All right, Mr. Plummer, you want to take this one?
Right. So right now it looks like a buy, but check the 1 hour. Yeah, blow that up. So, oh, I mean, it's technically it's a buy, but it's really close there.
It's a buy.
Um,
It's a buy, brother. It's above. It's above. It's still a buy. It's still a buy. We do know price loves to come and touch that aqua though, right?
yeah,
So it can come back and
yeah.
touch that aqua, then it can shoot back up. But as of now, it's still a buy. So next week, if we know that this is a buy, we're just gonna come over here. We're gonna do our analysis real quick, and we're gonna see what's going on. Then we're gonna wait for our entry. But what I want to do real quick is I want to look at this. And I want to take this down to the 5 minute time frame real quick. So she's already hit TP1, which we see. So I'm gonna tell you what I see. What I see is a fair market gap right here, and she has to go make that up. She's not gonna leave the market. The market is not going to allow this right here. She's going, well, it's kind of close because there's a wick and there's a wick. Never mind. I take that back. I'll take that back. But we do have the breakout. She did come TP1. So we do know she wants to hit Aqua. We've seen the Aqua right here. She might come and touch that level, then shoot back up, actually.
So if there's a gap there, but at least there's like the wicks, then it's still might not go back to get that.
No, I mean, because I mean it's not too bad because it spiked up there to that area, spiked here. It could, it
Yeah.
very well could. When I see a fair market gap, it'd be like, say this candle wasn't here.
Mhm.
You'll have this candle close, and then you have this candle close here, and
Yeah.
that gap would be right there. And then it'll go make that gap back up.
Okay.
It'll go eat that back up.
All right. Thanks.
No problem. So GJ, oh, GJ is a no-go. EURUSD. What we doing here? Are we taking this or are we
Nah,
You're
that's
on
a
the
no
5 minute.
oh, oh, oh,
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
oh, good
Maybe
call, good call, good call. Okay, that's a little bit. Let me go back. Let me go to GJ.
better.
Make sure I wouldn't. Okay, okay. Make sure I did the same. All right. So what we doing here?
Right now it looks like a sell, but you gotta check the 4 hour. Nope,
No.
Hmm.
because the lines are out of order.
Mm-hmm. That's important. So you see on the 1 hour, everything looks in order, right? Looks
Yep.
good. That's why you got to make sure you guys go check that 4 hour time frame. Very important. Ooh wee. Uh-oh. What we got, y'all?
That looks like a sell
Looks
right
like
now, at least.
on the four
Check
hour.
the 1 hour.
Ooh wee.
So still a sell.
So I want to break this down for you guys real quick. This is why it's important to mark up your charts. So you see my yellow lines? These are
Yeah.
heavy support levels for me. Support and resistant levels, right? And so Nelly, to answer your question, you see this huge run right here?
Yep.
It had to go make all that up because look at this drop. It dropped heavy, right? The
Yep.
market doesn't like that. So it's like, hey, we need to make that up. So then we got another run to the upside to make up that right there. You see that?
Yeah.
So now we're sitting pretty even. And this line right here, this level of support has already been violated. Here, and when I say violated, mean it didn't respect it because how much volume volatility was in the market. But right here in this area, it broke it again, but it kind of respected it a little bit. It broke and then it came back, and then we had a touch here, respected it. We had a touch here, it respected it. So it's going to be real interesting to see what's going to happen here. And what I believe is going to happen, I believe that this is going to continue to go down. Monday, we're going to get that ORB breakout down, hit that TP1 again. And then I want to see if we get a retest back to this level and then come back here and then break through and come to at least this level. If it comes to this level, if it comes to this level right here and a candle closes below that line, we're going back down here to touch this and possibly back down here. But I would really like to say in this area right here because where the body of the candles are and not the way. But we do have the potential to go there. So this is a sell, but this is one I would be really, really cautious on because I already have those levels there. So I'm going to make this still sell. Then we'll go to the next one. We got aqua, we got gray, we have blue, and then we have aqua, gray, blue. We are pushing it down. We already had a breakdown, but it didn't continue, so we will mark this sell. USD Chef, this is Mr. Plumber's favorite pair.
Huh.
Plumber, hey, Plumber, I'm gonna tell you, bro. So on the Forex side, Chef made me some money. It made me some money. It did. It did, bro. It did. She did. I was super sure about my analysis and I took it. I made some good money on it. All right, so let's look at this right here. So
So far it's a sell. I mean, so far it's a buy.
mm-hmm. This is gonna
Or
be
is not.
this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. I like this. I see it retracing back to this level up here. Back to that level. It's touched that level multiple times. We're in the consolidation zone right now. So we're gonna see what happens. If it breaks out, come touch, then go back up. But we want the buy. And to be honest, if we get a pullback for a sell real quick for the breakout down, which would be a counter trend trade to catch a couple pips, then ride it back up, that's great. But if you want to just continue to stick with trend trading, wait for it to come down, then wait for the signal to enter to take that up for a buy and potentially up there to the top. And from here to here, oh, I can't see that. It's over 60 pips. That's
You
a,
know, check the 1 hour though.
that's a good trade. That's a good trade. 70 pips. It's a good trade. Oh, BTS.
Nope.
BTS.
Nope.
We ain't doing nothing.
No.
Yeah.
Not doing nothing. Next. Next.
Nope.
So I'm gonna delete this because we already have US 30. I like Nas, I really do. Next. AURUSD. What we doing here, Mr. Plumber?
Nothing.
Okay. Jeremy, what we doing here?
Nothing.
All right. And Nelly, what are we doing here?
Nothing.
Nothing at all, guys. So with just my list, I got a couple buys, I got a couple sells, which is cool. I want to look at a crypto real quick. See what's going on over here. Oh, I did not mean to do that. I'm gonna have to change my source. Let's see. Let me see what's going on. All right, we're sitting at 34. Oh, yeah, go ahead and rally up there. Go ahead and rally. We already had the breakout, looking to go hit TP1 right there. Might give us a little run. Okay. Let's look at dots. See what dot's doing. Dot is BTS. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Aqua gray blue. Nope, nope, nope. That's a good one too. This is definitely, it's moving right now. You guys see it moving right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that. ORB breakout. Look, it's going up there. Price is going. I'm gonna come check this later and see if it actually hit that level. And I'm gonna
That
mark.
mean ORB breakout.
It's just the breakout, the zone. It broke up. Whatever
Okay.
the strategy is of how they named it, ORB. I don't remember what ORB stands for, but it's in that video that I sent you.
Yeah, I'll have to look at that again.
And to be honest, I'm not even sure if he said what ORB meant.
Yeah, I don't remember them saying it.
All right. So this is 72. This would not be a good trade to take. It wouldn't be. Not at all. Not at all. You would much rather do a tighter one. Say I would go right there. And that's a better trade right there. Put in underneath my gray line for my stop loss. I believe price is definitely going to come back and hit Aqua. It was already in that area. Looks like it's going to come up. And to be honest, it could come way back up here to the top again, but we're just waiting on that area. We do see the gap between the red and the gray right now. How many pips is that? It's almost 700, no, 615. Just between there. So that's not bad at all. Let's check one more. Oh, look at that. Oh, we're about to get a D-Lo. Ethereum's about to be taken off to the upside. It looks like it looks like it really wants to go right now. Oh, this is beautiful. Let's see
Let's do it 4 hour.
let's see what it does. Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
Yes, yes, yes. So very small here. Very small on that 4 hour. But I mean, it's crypto. It's gonna move 24/7. Man, look at those candles. Good grief, look at that candle. Absolutely. Yeah. But that's it though. But that is AGB. That is AGB in a nutshell. You guys literally have your hit list done for you for next week. We will be looking at more pairs, comparing it with our analysis on what we just did for the week, and then putting into action our entries for next week. Anyways, your boy KOBK. And until next time, see you later.